Want to create a personalized birthday video without spending hours editing clips, adding animations, or searching for templates? This AI can create the whole birthday video from a simple prompt, and you can customize it for almost anyone. First, open any browser and search for Flow AI, then open the first website. Once the website is open, click on New Project and then go to the Video section. Now you'll see different settings that you can customize according to the video you want to create. Choose the aspect ratio, select the AI tool or version, set the video duration, and choose how many videos you want to generate. Once your settings are ready, go to the prompt box. Now describe the birthday video you want the AI to create. You can mention the person's name, age they're turning, birthday theme, visual style, colors, decorations, music or mood, and even the type of greeting you want to include. For example, you can ask for a fun, colorful birthday celebration with balloons, a birthday cake, cinematic camera movements, and a personalized birthday message using the person's name. The more details you add, the easier it is for the AI to understand exactly what kind of birthday video you're looking for. Once your prompt is ready, simply click on the Submit button and let the AI start generating your video. Now wait for a little while the AI creates the video. Once it's ready, play the preview and check whether the visuals, text, and birthday message look the way you wanted. If everything looks good, click on the 3 dots next to the video. Then click on Download and choose the highest available resolution. And that's it. Your personalized birthday video is ready to share with the birthday person. Instead of spending hours editing a birthday video manually, you can simply describe your idea, add the person's details, and let AI handle the creative part.